Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store to Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce website if you have not already, and the platform you're using. So if this is WordPress like me, you're just going to go to the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com, from where we can get started managing our website. So from here at the left side of the screen, you can find the plugin section where you can take a look at all the plugins that you have used for your WooCommerce website. And from here, let's go and take a look at how to connect to Google Pay. So you're going to follow this article right here on the official WooCommerce website on how to go ahead and use Google Pay and the digital payment system for our store. So what we're going to do is follow the setup instructions right here. We are going to sign up for Google Pay by opening up this link. It's going to take you to PayPal, from where you can get started with signing up for Google Pay. Then you're going to navigate to the overview tab to scroll to Google Pay and click configure. So you're going to make sure that enable button is checked, and then the Google Pay button should not be functional and appear whenever the PayPal smart buttons are enabled. So what you can do is use the PayPal extension right here on the official WooCommerce website, woocommerce.com. You're going to open up PayPal payments and install it to your store. And now when people are using PayPal payments for your store, they're also going to have the option to use Google Pay, as you can see right here. And that is how it's done and how to set it up for your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.